Hey everyone, Brad here, and welcome to CBD Insiders. If you're at all interested in how CBD might be able to help you improve your health and wellness, I'd like to invite you to click on the link in the description and check out our website, where you'll find the Essential Beginner's Guide to CBD for Health and Wellness. We've put this together for you to explain exactly what CBD is, how it works, and how it might be able to help you improve your health and wellness. So if you've got any questions, check out the guide, leave us a comment, get in touch. We really want to help as many people as we can understand what CBD is and how it works. There's a lot of misinformation out there, and we've put together this guide to try and dispel some of the myths and give you genuine, factual information about what CBD is and how it works. So if you're interested and you think it might be able to help, why don't you click on the link, check out our website, and let us know what you think. Have a great day. Look forward to seeing you again soon.